One afternoon, Emma was walking home from school when she found a small silver key on the sidewalk. It looked old but beautiful. She picked it up and wondered, what does this key open? Emma looked around but saw no lock or box nearby. She took the key home and kept it in a small jar. The next day, she told her friend Noah about it. Maybe it's a key to a treasure, he said with a smile. For days, they searched the neighborhood. They asked people, looked in the park, and even checked old houses, but they found nothing. One evening, Emma saw a flyer on a tree. It said, "Lost, a silver key, very special. If found, please call 555-7892." Emma called the number. An old woman answered and said, "Oh my, that key belonged to my late husband. Thank you." The woman met Emma and gave her a warm hug. "You have a kind heart," she said. Emma didn't find treasure, but she felt happy because sometimes kindness is the real treasure.